To enable and use volume up button to answer calls on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting, tap answering and ending calls. Now tap the gray on offset next to press volume up to answer calls until the switch screen to turn it on. When this option is on, you can easily answer an incoming call by pressing the volume up button. Given to the function, you can use this feature as an alternative way to easily answer calls. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.